This is question 10 from exercise 35.2 in New Complete Project Maths 1. Let's just read through the question first. 5 pens and 2 pencils cost €2.50. 3 pens and 2 pencils cost €1.70. We've got to first write down €2.50 and €1.70 as cent. And then we've got to let X cent be the price of a pen and Y cent be the price of a pencil. Then we've got to write down equations in X and Y to show the price of the following: 5 pens and 2 pencils, and 3 pens and 2 pencils. Then we have to solve our two simultaneous equations, and we've asked at the very end, we've got to clarify what is the price of a pen and what is the price of a pencil. So let's get started with part 1. So part 1, we've got to write €2.50 as cent, so it's going to be 250 cent, and we've got our €1.70 as cent, that's going to be 170 cent. And then we've got to let X be the cent price of a pen and Y be the cent price of a pencil, and we've got to write down our equations here. So for part 2a, 5 pens and 2 pencils would be 5x plus 2y, and part B, 3 pens and 2 pencils would be 3x plus 2y. But we were given the value to both of these above. 5 pens and 2 pencils costs €2.50, so it's 5x plus 2y is equal to 250, and 3 pens and 2 pencils cost €1.70, so 3x plus 2y is equal to 170, like that. So this here is our equation 1, and that's our equation 2. Now, as with any simultaneous equation, we need to try and get the same number but different signs in front of either both of our x's or both of our y's. Since we've got the same number in front of both of our y's, it'll be easiest to try and change the signs on one of the equations to get them to match. So what I'm going to do I'm going to leave equation 1 as is, and I'm going to multiply equation 2 by minus 1. The reason we choose minus 1 is that multiplying it by 1 won't change any of the numbers, but multiplying it by minus 1 will change all of the signs. So for our equation 1, that's going to stay the same, 5x plus 2y equals 250. And for our equation 2, we now have minus 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 170, like that. What we can do is we draw a line under that, and we're going to add them down. So 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2y minus 2y is 0, and 250 minus 170 is 80. And we can use that to solve for x. So if 2x is equal to 80, that means that x is equal to 80 divided by 2, so x is equal to 40. We can now use that value to get a value for y by putting it back into either of the first two equations, and it doesn't matter which one we choose. So let's do that now. We'll go with equation 1. So instead of x, we're going to put in 40. So we're going to have 5 times 40 plus 2y is equal to 250. We're going to multiply that out. 5 by 40 is 200, so 200 plus 2y equals 250. Then we're going to bring our 200 across, and we're going to get 2y equals 250 minus 200, which means 2y is equal to 50. So y is equal to 50 over 2. So y equals 25, like that. And at the very end, just so that we clarify this completely, because it says specifically for part 4, right, the price of a pen is 40 cents. And the price, part B, of a pencil is 25 cents. And that is that.